What up, guys? This is gonna be my first YouTube video. I promised a lot of you guys that I would document everything that I'm doing with this bus that we bought, me and my wife. A little bit about the bus. It's a 1987 Mercedes Benz. It's driven 600,000 kilometers, which is a lot. It's 7 tons actually, so yeah, it's huge. So it used to be a transportation bus that had, I don't know what, about 30 seats or something like that. It's so big that it needs to have 4 rear tires. You can see over here, there's double, and these are all new. Everything here is brand new. I have a oil heater. This goes straight to the gas tank, and nothing needs to be on except for the electricity. Here's a kill switch, and I can turn this on, and then I can, with just 2 buttons in the dashboard, I can turn on a oil heater that goes on as long as we want. It just fires up and then shuts down and keeps it warm throughout, you know, all the summer, all the winter, everything. This here is an electrical cable that plugs in everything. I have 3, I think, of these chargers that I can charge all my batteries with. I have 4 large batteries that run everything. This door there is not connected anymore, and I'm gonna close it better. I'm gonna put screws and glue and stuff there so it will never open again. In the back we have a huge form of storage. Here I have so many things. There was a grill that they left, actually, some furniture, and it's huge. Still thinking about what I'm gonna do here. Probably just buy new furniture, table and stuff. Have it over there. It actually has a reverse camera that was put in afterwards. I can show you that later. Yeah, as I said, it's 8 meters long, roughly 28 feet, about 30 feet. So it's huge. Want to check out the inside?
Yep.
So in with it. So right now I'm gonna cue everything I recorded from when I first got it. I had it on my phone, so it's gonna be a different format, but doesn't matter. And it came with a lot of shit. The guy that sold it to me didn't take anything. So right now, what happened after you saw that footage, we have thrown away 6 garbage bags?
Yeah.
Roughly. Yeah, come inside. You can see this is an actual bus door, so you can close it like this, turn this air thing, and you can see it fully seals. One thing, it has to run for about 15-20 minutes, and then all the air has recharged. So I can open up and close this door without using my hands from the steering wheel. The dog just farted. So look at him. He just farted. Legend. Thank you for that. And yeah, everything works. Absolutely everything. He left this, actually. Check this out. 10 years ago, this would have been cool as fuck. DVD. So that's connected through. If I take this thing here out, there's all the cables over here that I connect through, just through these, whatever it's called again, RCA or whatever, and then just a DVD player in here. I think it's pretty cool, maybe for the kids, but me and Aiden are probably never going to use it. I'm thinking about putting a big TV here. Actually, we could put it here on this probably.
Yeah.
We're gonna get rid of that refrigerator. This is a gas powered refrigerator. I've never heard about that before. So I was googling it. So you fire it up, and the gas powers a fan, and that fan cools down whatever you have. I don't know, I kind of don't like it. I don't want to fuck with gas too much. I don't trust it. So yeah, all of these, a lot of people take all of these out, the top storage things, but I don't think we will. I kind of like it actually. You like it? It's kind of retro, and I like the color on it. I like the original. Yeah, I like the original pattern on it, and it's absolutely spotless. You can see, like if you zoom in on here, everything is absolutely spotless. So legally, you can have 6 people driving in this car. All these seats here have seat belts. Legal, fully checked. Everything is fully legal. I think that we're gonna get rid of that fridge. Take these seats all the way to the driver's seat, and take these, of course, as well, all over there. This, as you saw in the footage, we had a TV here. I gave it to my little nephew. You know, I don't know. It's like a 28-inch TV. You don't use them anymore and can't really sell them, so might as well make a kid happy. So we're gonna move this all the way over there. That makes room for taking this top off fully. I'm gonna keep this stove. This is a nice stove. This is a gas stove. Goes all the way to the bottom to storage here that I'll show you later. I'm gonna keep this sink. It's a nice sink. This faucet is pretty good as well. And we're gonna get a new countertop, which looks like it's concrete, and it's gonna be longer, probably all the way to, let's see, yeah, it's just gonna be a little bit longer, somewhere around here, so you'll have more space to cook and, you know, whatever. And then I can fit in a electrical refrigerator here, under here. I like that better than the gas one. Plus it's pretty old and I don't really like it. Yeah, so all this it was full of cutlery, dishes, balls, everything. Like a lot of it was brand new, so we have it at home right now, and we're just cleaning it. We're gonna keep this. I think we're just gonna spray it with high quality spray, of course, probably gray, I think, because we're gonna spray that old school gas heater. We're gonna spray that gray as well. This sofa, it's pretty good. I'm gonna take the car later on today for a deep clean at a friend's business. He's gonna deep clean everything for me, and then my mom is gonna put new bedding or material over it, so it's gonna be nice. This one folds out, so there's 2 people that can sleep here. Yeah, that takes us to a little beauty area. Should we do that? So this thing here, we're not going to take this out. Nope. This one folds as you want. This one's just a regular mirror. This one is like a for when you get older. This one's for Aeron now. This one's for Aeron in what, 20 years?
Yeah, let's hope so.
Let's hope so. It actually came fully fitted with absolutely everything. A little blow dryer. Yeah, bug spray, sunscreen, toothbrushes. Yeah, just about everything you might need or want. And this, of course, came with it. Here, I don't remember if I had it on the video, but it was kind of filthy. Old dog kennel here. Cleaned everything out. So that takes us to this absolutely amazing king size. I think it's a king size. I think it's a queen size.
I don't know. What is it?
The bed itself is 150, but it's like 160 with a, yeah, whatever. Okay. It came with 3 brand new what do you call them, duvets, new pillows. Everything was made, fully made. Yeah, so we're actually really happy. We don't have to take anything out. We're just cleaning everything. This bed is customly fitted in here and brand new. So I think we're gonna take down these, and my mom is gonna sew new ones, more quality, and they keep light out a little bit better. Here we have a toilet, a little toilet, that we're gonna change later on when we have toilet on the land along with water. Yeah, I think that just about sums up the inside tour, don't you think?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna put hardwood floors. We're gonna put hardwood floors, pretty light, I think. We'll show you that later. Right?
Yep.
Hi.
Hej. Ertu svolítið sveitt?
Yeah, actually. Now the fridge is gone and the seats are loose, ready to go all the way over there. So I just moved all the chairs all the way to here where the fridge was over here, and I'm left with all this new space. Thinking about putting a longer countertop and maybe a TV over here across the sofa. What up, guys? Welcome to second episode of Rooney's Restoration. No, RG's RV. No, whatever, man. Welcome. This is dried fish. It's good for you. 86% protein. Very Icelandic. So yesterday I went and bought hardwood floors for the whole entire bus. It's walnut colored, so it's pretty dark. Should be pretty soothing. I moved the chairs and the table yesterday as well, so there's a lot more room. I have a new countertop that I'm gonna put in sooner or later. Today I'm gonna start doing the floors, so yeah, stay tuned. This is all the bedding, washed and ready. Put it in a vacuum bag so it wouldn't get dirty. Let's get going. This is the material for the wall. Okay. Hi.
Hi.
So, we have decided to not move the kitchen because we have torn down the bathroom and there's just a lot of space that created, and we don't need to move the kitchen, I think. So, but we're still gonna take off the countertop because we're gonna get a new one, because we need the wall to be on this post. I think if we're gonna move the kitchen, the wall is gonna be like here. That does not work. So yeah, I can use that post as, yeah, just the outer wall. So there's a lot of new nice space that's created here. I'm just gonna put hardwood floors on that. Agreed?
Yep.
Okay. First set of hardwood floors are down. Yeah, we're using glue as well because this is, after all, a bus and is not perfectly level. But I think I'm extremely happy about how it looks. And I think Aaron is as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're just gonna put some bedding. Aaron, show me where people look. Show me.
Here.
Yeah, so the ants are never gonna show. Only half a packet of this went into this entire square, and we have 5.5 left. So yeah, it's going good.